really see, but look who I picked up. Well, you can't really see because of the glare, but there he is, Kingy. But yeah, David's homegirl couldn't handle him basically, but yeah, her apartment's too tiny, and then she's okay allergic to him, so that kind of sucks. But David said he's gonna be back this weekend for sure, so he said he's gonna send me his itinerary today. What is going on with my GPS? Now my GPS wants to trip. It's been doing fine all freaking day. Don't come for me, alright? I just got off of work, okay? And the glare from my glasses, I'm sorry. But yeah, let me see. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're going the right way. Alright, but yeah, so he's supposed to come back this weekend. But yeah, so take Kingy home with me. But yeah, so I'm just watching YouTube right now. Oh, I missed him. I missed him, you guys. Like, even though it was like, what, 2 days? It was like 2 days, but I miss him. He's a sweetie. He's sweet, but he's a baby. He's a puppy, you know. He's still technically teething. I missed you. So yeah, I'm gonna watch and listen to my little YouTube while I drive, and I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so notified as to when I post. Get up to date on content. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway next month, so be ready. It's gonna be one for the ladies, one for couples, and then one for pets. So keep an eye out. But yeah, be back.
Trump. I'm tired of hearing about the same people in the media, and I feel like there's so much other irrelevant shit that I really could talk about. We could talk about the whole Danny Madison situation, that guy from That 70s Show, who literally just got sentenced to 30 years in prison for raping several women.
Los Angeles judge
and Blueface trying to get with him. Also,
literally. Alright, come on, come this way. But yeah, so this is gonna be my last, possibly my last week with little Kingy. Come on. His dad said he's gonna come pick him up this weekend, so we will see. He's cute. Look how big he is, y'all. He has gotten so big. I've had him for about a month. Yeah, over a month at this point. But yeah, he's so sweet. King. But yeah, he's walking with me to the store. I wanted to try to get him out of the apartment. But also, I noticed he gets overly stimulated when it's really noisy out. Come on. Come on. So yeah, yesterday we were sitting on the balcony and he started like not really freaking out, but like looking scared, like something or someone was attacking him or being. Look at this, just all in the sorry y'all. Yeah, I got a bag, so I'm not that type of dog mom or auntie, okay? I always keep a bag. But yeah, be right back. Hey y'all, I'm trying to... Ah! He keeps jumping on me. Kingy! No. He gets overly stimulated a lot, especially when it's a lot going on. Come here. Come here, cutie. Look at that face. Look at that face. Come here. Yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. No! See, this is crazy. He's gonna walk in the street. Let me, like, try to comfort him a little bit. Give me a second. Alright, y'all. So we crossed the street. We're on, like, one of the main little strips or whatever. King's all over the place. Look at this. He's so curious about everything. So funny. He has to smell everything. It's like, what is this? He already peed and pooped, so I know he's not gonna pee or poop right now. Come on. Sorry when the camera gets wiggly, but holding him with my right hand, and I'm right-handed, so let the King. So sweet. Come on, let's go. King. Come on, let's go, buddy. Where are you going? Have to keep him close, y'all, because he's not a runner. Like, he don't run off, but like, he be getting curious, so he's so cute. Smelling all the different flowers. He's so curious. It's so cute. Come on, buddy. The curiosity of a puppy, guys, never gets old. No. Also, he's a good grabber. Like, if you leave your clothes out or your shoes, he will grab it. Hey! And he's pretty strong. Look at that. Look at that stance. So cute. Y'all, he got distracted by a little bird. It was so cute. No. Come on. He's so curious about everything. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. I know he's going to be drinking hella water when we get back to the house. And I didn't bring the... Damn it. I didn't bring my travel water dishes. I'm a terrible doggy auntie. I'm terrible. But it's okay. We're not going far, so... No, sir. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on. Come on. It's so funny, y'all. Whenever he sees a silver or gray car that's like similar to mine, he'll stand there and look at me like, okay, so are we getting in the car or what? Come on. No, come on. No. No, no. Come, no. King, this isn't our house. Hey, baby. King. Come on. Come on. He might be hot. Are you tired? Come on. I think he's tired. I'm gonna crouch down to his level. Yep, I got him to come. Hi, baby. Hi. 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 I'm taking a break for a minute. We're taking a break. We're taking a break. Hi. I tried to touch his... Come here. Hey. Hey. Come this way. Sir. Excuse me. Someone's yelling across the street. I don't know what's happening, but he's being so nosy, guys. It's so funny. Come here, baby. Come on. You're okay. Come on. Come this way. Come on. Good boy. But yeah, super chill vlog today. I am going to film a little more later, but I just wanted to film me and King walk into the store. I haven't really walked with him for a long period of time. The only other time like I had him out like this was when we went to the park. If you want to watch that video, I'll link it down below. Ah! King! Wait. This guy over here is having a day. King! Ah! It's like a new smell. I need to smell it. Oh, come on, King. It's our turn. Let's go. a good walker, you know, like once he gets in his groove, he's good. He just gets distracted and is puppy curious. He be crossing over. Hey, come on. He never walks in a straight line, y'all. He'd be crossing over. I'd be almost stepping on him. See, as you could tell, he's veering from one side of the street to the other. Come on, King. Let's go. Leave him alone. Come on. See, he's on this side now. And now this side. It's so sweet. I love it. No. No. Come on. Come on. So nosy. I'm telling you guys, it is a shame. I love this dog so much. I love him so much. Like, it doesn't even make any sense. Alright, so we'll go off the path a little bit in the shade for a minute. Maybe he's hot. And then the asphalt could be too hot for him too. So we'll take a break. We'll take a breather. Hey! He always does this too. I think that's a sign that he feels safe with me, you know? Oh, you tired, buddy? You tired, buddy? Yeah, I think he's tired. Let me feel his paw. He won't let me feel. Oh, okay. His paw is a little bit warm. So that's kind of my fault. I should have just walked by myself. But, hey, excuse me. This guy. He's all over the place. But yeah, I should have just walked by myself. But I was just, you know, trying to get him out the house. I know he gets stir crazy being inside all the, like, for the most of the time, but the vibe I'm getting, he's definitely an inside dog, because when he gets overly stimulated, or it's a lot going on, or there's sirens and ambulances, and fire trucks going off like multiple times, it scares him. It really does. It really scares him. Aww, look at this. He said, shit, I'm tired. No. I'm trying to make sure he doesn't stop eating any of this stuff off the floor. Hi, baby. Hi. Good. Little Kingy. Sorry, guys. I can't help it. He's just a baby. Oh, look at this. I'm all stressed. Hey, no. I'm trying to eat a leaf. See? Time to get up. Come on, let's go. So I guess he got tired. Come on, let's run across really quick. Ah! Come on. Oh, come on. I don't want you to get pricklies. No pricklies. Because I didn't know what kind of plants those were. Hey! Fine. He likes to jump off of high places also, so I won't be surprised if he jumps off of this thing. Come on. King, let's go. Come on. He's always been pretty fearless. Hey! Always picking up leaves and stuff. But, yeah, puppy-wise, he's been really fearless. Like, he'll jump off the couch or jump from chair to chair. But when it comes to... Wow, oh my gosh, look at that. He's just walking me. Come on. Oh, he's so cute. Ah, see, he gets in his groove and he's just, all right, let's go. I'm taking the lead even though I don't know where we're going. Come on. And I love living out here because, look, we can actually walk our animals and there's not broken glass every damn where, like when we were in the heart of Hollywood off of 1600 and Vine, okay? Like, those apartments were very nice. They were very expensive. But yeah, if we could have afforded the bigger one, maybe we would have stayed there. I don't know. But it was cool. Centrally located. I'm gonna just run. Come on. Just run with him. Sorry if the camera is not stable, guys. We're almost there, buddy. Almost there. Man, there's this Mexican food spot literally right around. Come on. No. No. King. King, come on. Come on. I think he's hot, y'all. Don't worry, baby. We're gonna be inside in a minute, okay? We're gonna be inside in a minute. Come on. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Hopefully this will tire him out for real, because he be having so much energy. I'm coming. Come on. Come on. We're almost there. He's definitely getting tired, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on. I think someone left some cat food out. That was nice. Whew, all right, let's go. Come on. Oh! We are in a parking lot, so I keep him extra close to me. I roll up the leash against my hand because I just have a lot of fears when it comes to puppies in parking lots, okay? So I keep him very close to me because I could not imagine. Hi, honey. Come on. Anything happening to him when he's with me. But yeah, I will be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, we just left the Vons. He, I'm pretty sure, was happy to be in an air-conditioned space. Look at this. He's like, where's the car? It's time to go. No, baby, we're walking. Let's go. Here, we'll come over here for a minute. Come over here on the grass for a minute. Want to relax for a minute? What is this? Oh, Parmesan cheese from Domino's. I think we're gonna sit here for a second. Take a breather. He may pee in a minute. I noticed that when he smells the ground a lot, that means he's about to pee. So, yep, he's peeing. Good boy. Good boy. But yeah, we're gonna start walking in a minute. Just want to give him a little potty break, even though he peed and pooped before we left. But you know, you can never be too careful with puppies. Okay, you can never be too careful. Need to put some lips on because I feel weird without something on my lips, you know? Just feels like that. But yeah. Yes, I still have my old work shirt. Sir, that's not our car. That's not our car. I still have my old work shirt. R.I.P. to Rise and Grind. King, where are you going? Come this way. But yeah, it's really funny. Like, I pass by the building often, and it still has the Rise and Grind sign and everything. And it's like, rent the space for shoots or whatever. Because it's like a It's like a decent space and like nice rustic, not rustic. What year was that? Like 2016. Signs, lettering, like it's fun. It's fun in there. I really enjoyed working there. Just taking it in. He's such the sweetest. So sweet. Alright. That looks a little better. It makes me feel a little better. There's something on my lip. But yeah, so I doubt he has to poop because he pooped a lot before we left. So let's just get this walk going. No, come on, we're going this way. What's up, babe? What's up, babe? Come on. Oh, wow, they dumped a bunch. No, it's cat food. They dumped a bunch of... No, they dumped a bunch of cat food. Maybe there's like a family of cats or kittens around here somewhere. Dang, there's cat food right there, too. That is crazy. They must... Oh, damn, look, y'all. Cat food right there. That's crazy. Come on. No! Come on. This guy is too hard to keep up with, y'all. Like, I cannot keep up with him. He's looking back at me like, what? Come on, let's go. Come on. I'm definitely gonna... So I got body wash. I got body wash, deodorant. I was gonna get him a baby teething ring, but they didn't have any. But I got body wash, deodorant, and 2 Red Bulls because I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna film today, not this vlog. I'm filming now, but a couple of other vlogs. We'll do some reactions. Hello.
Hi. You get the puppy out.
Yeah. He gets so many compliments. But I mean, who wouldn't? He's so freaking cute. I bet as soon as we get to the house, y'all, he is gonna be gunning for his water dish. Come on, baby. He's trying to go inside so bad. Pretty sure he's hot. King! Come on. I'm surprised he hasn't jumped over to the other side. Oh, there he goes. It's so funny. Come on, babe. Come on. Ah! He ran into... No, come on. Poor thing, y'all. He ran into the wall. Because the glass was that clean. Poor baby. But yeah, y'all, he's hot and he's over it. He's like literally pulling me at this point. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I decided to take a little break in the same spot from earlier. I just hope he doesn't start eating these little ball things or whatever these are. I hope he doesn't start eating, but yeah. Taking a break because he keeps trying to run. Look at that face. Y'all, I can't wait to see what he's like after obedience school, because depending on how things go, he's going to be a different dog by the time he comes out of there. That's going to be interesting. I can't wait to see that. But yeah, take a break under this tree. I think he's ready to go. Oh, look at this. King. Y'all, I love him so much. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. Let me know what you guys think of these glasses. I don't know if I like them anymore. I feel like they kind of make me look older, and which is something I don't want. But yeah, oh, I guess he's ready. We're going. We're done resting? Okay. I guess we're done. He's literally... Stop. He's literally, like, pulling me. Like, he's ready. Hey! Excuse me! Sir! I'm walking you. You're not walking me. Like, I don't mind. Walk ahead, that's fine. But you're like pulling me at this point. No, come on. Ah! Come on. He was looking for his friend. There was a guy that was sitting there. Y'all, I am low-key starting to sweat a little bit. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, sir. Okay? It's freaking hot. And you running isn't making it easier for either of us. Okay? Okay, sir? With the cute face. He literally got me sweating out here. OMG. Okay, let's go. Wait! King! Yeah, he's so over this. He's over this walk, you guys. He's ready to be in the house where it's air conditioned.
Wait, no.
Oh, all right. Come on. He's ready to go, y'all. Like, he's ready to be inside where there's food, water, his toys and blankets. Come on. He's so tired. I could tell. King! I hate that he's pulling me like this. It's making me sweat because I have to try to like pull him back. And it's warm. And of course he goes in all black. Like, for why? No, King! This way. This isn't our house, buddy. This way. Come on. Come on. This way. He's so stubborn. Come on. Come on. There we go. Good boy. He's just ready to be inside. I can tell. I can tell. He's ready to be inside. Poor babe. Poor babe. Hopefully my Red Bulls aren't gonna explode when I drink them. Definitely gonna get one when I get home. Or I may drink a, what is it? It's like coconut water. Okay, so it's made with coconut water, but it's called like cactus water or something. It's really, really good. I'll show you guys probably later in the vlog or when I'm home. Oh my gosh, it's like pulling the crap out of me. He is like, I'm ready to go. I'm right here. Come on. No, this way. It's so funny. Whenever he gets up near like the street like this, like where you like have to cross, he always stops and looks. Like, it's so funny. No. Come on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, bud. Are you having a great day? Come here.
He's scary.
It's okay.
It's all right, buddy.
It's a good boy. You out on a walk? You having a great day? Come here. It's a good boy.
You act all tough at home, but as soon as someone wants to pet you, you're scared.
Oh no.
You're fine. It's okay.
Come here, bud.
You're fine.
It's a good boy.
It's okay.
It's a good boy.
You're fine. He's like, I don't know.
It's a good
Oh,
boy.
see? You're fine. It's okay.
Man. You having a great day?
Have a good day. Come on. No, we're not going in there. We got a little more to go, buddy, or we'll be home, okay? Little more to go. We're almost there. I feel disgusting, you guys. I'm literally sweating from everywhere. Ugh, I feel so gross. Come on, almost there, buddy. Almost there. Come on. Come on, I'm just gonna run to the light because. Alright. Whew, hang on. It's not our turn yet. Wind up my hand a little more for him. Whew, y'all, this side breeze. You can see the trees and the shadows moving. The side breeze is every now. OMG. I'm so warm. I feel so gross. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Wow. Goodness. What? I'm not picking you up, sir. It's so funny, y'all. He be on high alert. It's so funny. All right, come on, babe. Let's go. All right, we're going. We're going. Ah! No! This way. This is not our house. He wants to go. He's so over it. He's so hot. Poor thing. Poor thing is thirsty. I know, because I'm thirsty. That and he's, not really. He's like, he has that little foam stuff around his mouth, so I know he's thirsty. Like, poor thing. I feel so bad. I forgot my travel water dishes. I cannot talk. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I took a nap that lasted way longer than expected. I was only supposed to sleep for like an hour. I ended up sleeping for like 2. Pulling the crap out of me. Hey, stop. He doesn't realize he's wasting more energy trying to pull me. Come on. Alright, y'all, we made it back to the house. Wait, ow! Jeez. Fine, let's go. Jeez. You ready? Let's go. Go! Go! Oh, well, here. Grab the thing. There you go. I'm coming. It's so funny, you guys. He always checks to make sure I'm coming because when he was a puppy, I used to do this, let him do this, right? And then I duck off like this behind a wall to see if he noticed. Here I am. That's why he does that. It's so funny. This one? This one?